guys, my name is Atharv and welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel, The Coder 1001. In this video, I will show you how to get a public website for completely free on Windows. So first what you have to do is you have to go to your favorite browser and search for XAMPP, X-A-M-P-P, XAMPP. Then you need to click on download and then you need to download the latest version. Once you click on download, it will start installing. I have already installed it. So I'll open the install now. You need to click on yes. And then the installer window will open. You should see a pop-up where it will say like the name of the company, which is Bitnami. Then you need to click on OK, and then you need to click on next. I am just choosing everything to install, but you can choose if you want to install some specific things. Then I'll click on next, then next again, then next again. Then you have to uncheck this box, then click on next and click on next again. Now this will start the install. So guys, this install may take a lot of time, so I'll be back after the install finishes. So guys, the install has finished. You might have gotten a pop-up saying like from the Windows firewall that you just had to click on allow. Now you need to uncheck this box and click on finish. Now whenever you want to start XAMPP, you need to click on the Windows icon and then you need to start XAMPP control panel. Guys, it might take some time to start for the first time. I actually have a slow PC right now, so it took more time. So now guys, when you are on this page, you need to go to Apache and click on start. So now Apache is started. Now you need to click on config and then okay, never mind. You need to make sure the ports are 80 and 443. By default those are the ports, so you don't need to change anything. Now you need to start a web browser. I'll start Microsoft Edge because Brave is updating right now. Not now. Then you need to type LOCALHOST. If you click on enter, as you can see, now our website has been made. Right now our website might look weird. Now if you want to add custom things to the website, you need to go to c:/XAMPP. Now that's where we installed XAMPP. Then you need to go to htdocs. In htdocs, I'll just delete everything right now. And if I go back to my website, I'll just open Edge again. I accidentally closed it, I think. Yeah, now if I go to my website again, it's on localhost. As you can see now, right now there's nothing, but Apache is there and it says Win64, which is our operating system. Now I'll go to Apache again. As you can see right now it's like this. Now I'll just go to htdocs folder again, XAMPP htdocs folder. I'll open it. Now I want to add some things to my website. I'll create a new document. I'll name it index.html. Index.html is the HTML file you land onto when you first open the page, if you open the website. Index.html, I'll right click over here. I'll open this in terminal. Actually no, not terminal. I need to open any code editor. For me it's Visual Studio Code. I recommend you also download Visual Studio Code, from which you can edit HTML files properly. So okay, VS Code is opening right now. Now okay, something else is open. You need to click on file, open folder, and then you need to choose I'll choose c:/XAMPP and then the htdocs folder. Yeah, now I'll select folder. So now yes, you need to click on yes. Index.html you can edit. If you hit exclamation mark and enter, it will create a default page for you. Exclamation mark, enter. This is the default page. Now in the body I can enter anything. So I entered like some 3 random characters yesterday. Now if I save it and if I go back to Edge, okay, I don't know why I accidentally closed Edge again, and go to localhost. Now as you can see, the things I have entered is there, and if I like right click and view page source, and as you can see this source is the same as this one. So if I make a change over here, like if I put an extra this thing here, okay, yeah, and then I open Edge, yeah, as you can see it edited that over here also. If I reload, yeah, okay, I'll just close the other things in the Edge that are open. Yes, but now you might say the website is only visible to us. So like, and another way you can open localhost, you can type 127.0.0.1. but right now the website is only visible to us. You wanted to make it visible to everyone, so for that you need to edit your router settings. Now you can see another video. You have to search for how to port forward and then your router name. So I have a Hawaii router, so I'll tell you how to post. So you need to click 192.168 168.1.1. That's most probably your router's home page. Okay, it says the connection is invalid. You need to click on advanced and then you need to continue. Now this is my router. The router page takes a long time to load, so I'll see you after that. Okay guys, we are in the router. Now by default, your router has the username admin and the password admin. So I'll try with that password, admin and admin. For me it's that password, but you can also change it. So to know the password, you need to contact your network admin. Okay, now right now I'll blur all of this because this is like stuff you can't have anyone else see. Now there are a lot of things. You need to go to forward rules and then you need to go to port mapping configuration. We'll just wait for it to load. Router pages take a long time to load. Okay, I already have these two things. I'll just delete them because these are old things. Yeah, now I'll wait for the page to load again. Now you have to click on new. Now you need to have it user defined. Enable port mapping. Mapping name can be anything, so I'll choose a XAMPP for PC. You can enter anything. Now there might be multiple options over here. I'll just choose the only option I have. Now you need to choose an internal host. Now for this you need the IP of your machine. So you need to open CMD and you need to type ipconfig. Now you need to find the thing that starts with 192.168. So for me it's 192.168.146. That's my private IP, which is for the network. So I'll type this, or you can choose over here what device you want. For me it's the Coda 1001 W11. Yeah, as you can see. Now I'll click on add. The protocol has to be TCP/UDP internal port number. So this means like I am forwarding the port 80 of my device. So port 80 to the port 80 of the router's device. So this is my device port and this is the router's port. So that. Now you can just click on apply. Okay, so now in the internet I can just search for what's my IP. So this will tell the IP of the router. This is a public IP address. And now if anyone opens this IP address, they will see your website. Anyways guys, that was it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, and I'm out. See you later.